With summer here, we know many will visit Tennessee's mountains, rivers, and forests. When you're camping out, always be aware of the risks of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is an invisible, odorless gas created when fuel burns incompletely. Carbon monoxide can result when using camping equipment like barbecue grills, portable generators, and other fuel-powered devices. Exposure to carbon monoxide can be deadly. If you're camping out, never use a fuel-powered lantern, barbecue grill, portable stove, or generator inside a home, tent, or camper RV. Always use portable generators outdoors in well-ventilated areas away from all doors, windows, and vents to prevent exhaust fumes from entering the home. Make sure you have working carbon monoxide detectors in your home and camper RV before you visit the great outdoors. Let's stay safe, Tennessee. The Tennessee Department of Commerce and Insurance wants you to stay safe all summer and all year. Follow us on social media for more safety information and look for #SummerOfSafety.